guys, so today we're in the shop. It's kind of a multitask video. We got Dylan's car. We're changing that resonator we told you about in last night's video, and we got this Hyundai thing that I have to fix the bumper on for a lady. That's quick and painless. This is quick and painless, so we're gonna turn it into one video. Dylan, why don't you give some revs so we can do it before and
oh, some revs. Huh?
Yeah. So this is gonna be with the straight piped axle back and stock resonator, the before. Nice. All right, sounds good. Now we'll be right back when we see, you know, what that is. Sounds like with the aftermarket resonator. All right, so we got Dylan's car up on the lift. There's our straight pipe axle back we built before. And this is what we're taking out. This big doofy resonator. Dylan's gonna make a cut here, and he's gonna make a cut here, right up against the, well, he can come back here, I don't really care. As close to it as possible. We'll make it happen, it'll be nice. This is a rust-free car, but then again, it's fairly new. So, I'll give you the sawzall and some safety glasses. You get started, I gotta go back there and start sanding. Aight?
Why do you make me do it?
Because it's your car, you gotta help, you gotta learn stuff.
I do learn stuff, but when it comes to cutting, that's something you're good at.
Well, you can't fuck it up by cutting it.
Yeah, you can cut it the wrong way.
No, I can weld anything. I can weld the crack of dawn. We'll be right back. So I got this mocked up here. I'm gonna tack weld it here, tack weld it here, put it on the floor so I can rotate it, make a nicer weld, then I'll slide it back up in there, weld this joint, and then we'll be pretty much home free. On this car, I've got this scuff spot all sanded off, primed, this spot, and down here it was hit. I got that done too. So we'll keep going. When this is all done, we're gonna paint this whole section. I'll scuff it all nice, paint it, clear it, blend it, and the world will be a better place. Right?
Right.
We're gonna do some welding right now.
The thing is, I can watch you through the video. Yeah. Which is pretty cool. Yeah, man, get up in there.
Get in there deep.
Get in there real deep. Real deep. Yeah, man.
Pull it down out of there.
Pull her up out of there, bud. Oh, she's a smoker. She's a real smoker, bud.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, dude, this shit's coming along pretty cleanly.
Coming along great. That's a G-rate.
G-rate.
I'm gonna weld this out, guys and girls. I'll be back with you in a minute.
Yeah.
Alright. So it's all on there. I hit it with some high temp paint just to clean the seals. Don't laugh at my welds. My MIG welder wasn't working very good. Actually, I don't really care what laugh at my welds because it's, you know, better than the Midas touch, you know. We're gonna see what she sounds like now. Alright, Dylan, give it some revs with your Yonaka muffler.
I'm disowning you.
Yonaka! Hurry up, you only got 4 minutes left. I'm almost out of time. God. Ooh. Cold start. That is much louder. Oh my. Yeah, he's getting arrested. That sounds fucking dope. You're getting arrested. Do rev limiter. Yup, you're going to jail. Good morning, guys. So, you saw the before, the after, and the process of putting the resonator in Dylan's car. Hi, Dylan.
What's up, peoples?
What you doing? So, we waited an extra day for this outro because I got my hair cut. So you shall be happy about that.
Must be nice.
I still got to shave though because I still look homeless. Dylan's car is much louder. The Subaru rumble is less and it has a little bit more rasp with that.
Oh, it's still, the rumble's still there, just, you know,
when you really step on it is when you lose the rumble.
Yeah. It's loud as hell. It won't be long before he's probably going to get a ticket, but that's okay. We don't care about that. The header is on the way. That's going to make it much louder. It's going to get more low-end power with the header by getting away from the Cadillac converter. We're going to program out the O2 sensors. Don't worry about how I'm going to do that. That's for me to know and you never to know. Yeah, it's going to make her a little runner.
Yeah, man.
It's going to be beautiful.
I can't wait.
It's going to be beautiful. Today we're going to go down. We got to finish. We got the paint on that Hyundai that you saw in the video. We just got to blend it, buff it, ship it. Done. Cook painless. Nobody gives a crap about that. It's a simple repair. But it was just a little filler piece. It was something we were doing, so we thought we'd share it with you. And that's pretty much that. I have no words of wisdom to give you other than modding your car is a waste of money, waste of time, waste of effort.
No, it's not.
But we love it. Because, you know, what else are we going to spend money on? That's anywhere near as much fun. I mean, there's like meth and stuff, but I'm not really into that kind.
I don't know why you even brought that up.
Whatever. Have a good day, guys. Be good. Don't do drugs. It's stupid.